Hello guys, welcome back to a new video. So let me change the view. Okay. Yep. So today we are going to start this stack section. We have covered all these sections. If you are new to this channel, consider subscribing. I have solved all these questions. You can definitely check out my channel. There will be a playlist where all these solution will be there. Yep. So today the question is this. So let me just quickly open this. It is recording. Yep. So today's question is valid parenthesis. This is pretty much popular and very easy problem. So yeah, as you can see, this is a stack based problem. So yeah, we are going to use stack to solve this problem. So here given a string as containing these kind of characters, opening and closing braces of different types must be closed in correct order and same type. And yeah, yep. So this is an example. So this is an open bracket and this is a close bracket. So it form a complete string according to their definition. So this is we have to return true for this. So similarly, one open and corresponding close bracket, open corresponding close bracket, open corresponding close bracket. So yeah, this is true. Here this is a open bracket and close bracket, but the type of the bracket is different, so that's why it is false. So yep. So what we are going to do is just let me show you the approach here. So if you can see here, we are going to use a stack. So initially the stack will be empty. Let's take this example. Uh, let's take this one an example. Yep. So this is the input string. So we will iterate each by each character. So this is the zeroth character, and let me just make it spacious. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So initially we will be at zeroth character. So we will check if it is a closing bracket. Then we will, if it is a open bracket, we will simply put inside this. So let just put inside this stack. So let me give some space. Yep. And then we will move to the next character. So here we will add three conditions for these three types of brackets. If the bracket is of same type of the current top of the stack, and also if it is a closing bracket, then we will pop out the current top from the stack. So yeah, so it is a same type and also closing bracket. So we will pop out this from the stack and move to the next character. So this is an open bracket, so we will simply put inside our stack, and then we will find a closing bracket. So we will check if it is same type. Yes, it is same type. And is it a closing bracket? Yes, it is a closing bracket. Then we will simply pop out the first pop from the stack. And we will move to the next character. This is open bracket. So we'll just simply push it inside our stack and then move to the next character. So it's closing, the type is same. Similarly, we will pop out this. So at the end, we will check if the stack is empty. If it is not empty, that means there is one problem here. So let me just give an example of the last one. So here it is like this. We will, so this is an open bracket. We will push it here, and then we will move to the next character. This is the next character. This is a closing bracket, but the type is not same. So we will simply move to the next value. We will put this inside this and move to the next value. So here there is no next value, and at last we will check if the stack is empty or not. Yes, uh, it is not empty, so we will return false. So here it is like this. So let me just quickly write the code, then you will able to understand what the approach is. So simply we will have a stack. So let me just write the stack. which will be of type char. So each a character in this string is of type char. So yeah, so it will be st. So then we will iterate over the all the characters inside this string, given string. We will check if c equals to closing, as I told you, and our stack is not empty, otherwise there is no top. And there is one more check, that stack top is like this. So current is closing and the stack top is opening. So yep, it's like this. So if it's so, then we will pop up out. So this condition will be of for all the three types of these braces. So let me just write the condition for other cases as well. So this if condition will have this bracket, which will have the first type of condition. Just we will simply copy this condition and put it here, and then also here, and we will close this. Now the brackets will change like this, and also similarly the opening bracket also like this. Sorry, the closing bracket. And so any of the condition met, we will simply, what we will do is we will pop out the top. So it's like simply pop the top. Yep. So in else condition, we will simply push the new character, the current character. If it not matches the above condition, then we will simply put inside this. At the very end, we will just return stack is empty or not. So if it is empty, then it is a valid string, otherwise it is not valid. So let me just check if it works or not. Yep, it's not working. Let me just quickly check if we are doing anything wrong here. So C is the character we are checking if it is closing and if its stack is empty. So it should be not empty, not like this. Yep, I guess that was the error. Yep, it's working for this case. Let me submit and see if it works for other cases as well. Yep, it's working for other cases as well. So let me just check the time complexity here. So since we are running over one character at one time only, so the length of the string will be this for loop. So let me just write here and yep, and these are of one operations. So yeah, they will not take any time complexity. So let me write tc here as like this, and the space complexity will be all the elements inside that. So the stack will have all the elements, so it will be overflowing. So yeah, this is pretty much about this problem. If you like the video, please click on the like button and also consider subscribing. Let me just check this here. Also consider you can check my channel for all these questions solved there in a playlist. So yeah, tomorrow we are going to solve this and see you in the next video.